So we are going to replace the CPU here. Let me open this. Not enough space to show you around. So see that this is i9 12 generation, and the i10 and the i9 same but one generation below. So 13th generation have an issue, that's why I got this one. So I can, so like previous video I'll show you, I have to line up with this. See that triangle? So we need to see where is that triangle. That would be on the, so the triangle is right there on the bottom of the thing. So I have to lift it like this, make sure that don't fall, then take it out, make sure, see, this goes this way, and place it right there nicely. Then can you see, put the flashlight so you can see. Now I'm going to push this down, and while I'm here I'll clean the thermal here. Then I always put the corner to balance, and that's how I tied it up completely from one corner once. Now what I do, and there was lots of blue screen of this when I was trying to install Windows. So we are going to test now. Again I need to get the USB, Windows 11, and then power button, screen. It's okay. So I have it saying here, if you can see, turn this off, so you can see, so see right there, all good there. Update the BIOS later, but right now what I'm going to do, install the OS. I'm going to do override. What it will do is install the OS. I'm going to delete everything because he said he don't need anything from here. So 13th gen processor, there is lots of issue with the power overheating, not recognizing, all kind of things. So I need to change the autofocus here. I changed this to 12. So you can see installation is done, everything is good. So now my customer can set up all and go from there.